Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can play games on Snapchat. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Snapchat and select any conversation. So here you can see that there is no rocket sign. So you simply need to go back, open your profile picture, click on the gear icon on the top right, scroll down and click on I need help. And here you need to search for game on Snapchat. So click on that, and here you can see that games are no longer available. So now it is not possible to play games on Snapchat. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.